among parties, right? So what is psychological safety? Psychological safety is when I can ask questions, I can challenge programs, I can suggest ideas if I think it can make our team better, no matter how small my position is. Because sometimes that customer service representative who talks to the customer every day might actually know more than the manager who's only in front of the spreadsheets and PowerPoint every day. Right? So that's psychological safety. Psychological safety looks like this. I follow every rule because it pleases my manager. Mababa ang psychological safety. Okay? If I say something, he might think that I'm only disturbing him. So I will not speak up. I feel unsafe. And then middle ground, maybe because I really need to share this, I can raise this idea to someone else who likes me or someone who's nice. Can you relate? Ana, di ba close ka kay boss? Pasabi naman sa kanya to. Ikaw na lang magsabi. Right? And it doesn't solve the problem because it's you who needs to say this. It's you who needs to explain why. It also is selective. What we want is at the top. My manager appreciates that I think out of the box and I can contribute solutions. I will say this. I feel safe. Great leaders have employees and teammates who act like at the top. They will not hesitate. Have you met those kinds of employees? Sumabog na ang problema, dun lang nila sinabi. Because they were hesitant. Na kapag sinabi sa umpisa, baka pwede pang itago, right? And that's also the psychological effect of it. If you keep on apprehending your people wrong, you're not teaching them to be better. You're teaching them to hide it further.